So, Agastya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Agastya, can you tell me how to use AI to for the learning progress, like in your school or in your home, in your learning patterns, or to learn a study or to study something? How you use AI in it?
I mostly use AI for doing homework. Uh, in that, I copy the question, put it on the AI, and I don't exactly copy the answer of the AI. I see some uh, things related to the chapter and take those points and then write frame my own answer.
That's awesome, buddy. Now let me go to Sivastav. Can you tell me how you use AI for your homeworks or for
Sir,
study?
I use AI for like projects and group projects in which we have to make posters and PPTs. So I like take ideas from AI.
That's accurate. And Ishanvi, can you tell me?
So if there's any particular topic in any subject that I don't understand, or if I have a doubt in any question that I'm solving, then I just upload a picture of that onto the AI and it helps me out with it.
That's very good. What about you, Vidya? How you use AI in your study?
I use AI chatbots to get answers to certain questions which I can't answer myself, or clear concepts, like Ishanvi said.
So do you just copy paste the answer that the AI chatbot gives you?
No, sir, I try to understand what it is trying to say and then try to frame the answer in my own language.
Okay, that's great. So what I'm trying to tell you that AIs are not always accurate. Whenever you are giving a prompt, it gives you an answer, but you always have to verify the answer. It is very important to do that, and that's what we'll be learning today. First, how we'll learn that how to create a proper prompt, you can say. Okay, so AI can help us to learn, but it should be replaced with our thinking. If we ask a weak question, we often get a weak answer. But if we ask a clear question, it usually gives us more useful answer, isn't it? We have to ask him an accurate question. Am I right, guys? Okay, so we must check the important answers also. And we also have to verify it by ourselves. If it is wrong, we also have to update that data to the AI chatbot so it can train himself about it. Right? Okay, can anyone tell me while working with any kind of AI chatbot, what we should never do? Each one of you, can you tell me at least one point in the chat box? In the chat box, you can just write it there.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir, never share personal data.
that's correct. That's correct. Accurate. Okay. Agastya has told never share personal information like phone number, email ID, address, and etc. That's good, actually. These are all good. So we should never share our password, phone number, email ID, or any kind of contact information or our other details, like personal details, like where do we live, the address, or our parents' name, or any of our relatives' names, or any one of our friends' name. If we do that, then it is a very sensitive information that can leak in the web, right? Okay. So today we're gonna see what is the good use of AI and what is the wrong use of AI. I'm gonna show you a table and we will see that. Just give me a second. Let me share my screen. Let me know. Let's see my screen. Okay, everyone can hear me, right? And can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the good use of AI and some wrong use of AI. If you just ask him to explain some simple like topics, you can say that is a good use. The Rishanvi told us that whenever she doesn't understand any kind of topic, she uses AI to explain it in details. Second thing, we can give examples for analogies, create practice quiz questions. It helps us to prepare for any kind of exams. Even I do that still now. Next is it helps us to organize the notes and revision plans. And third, or you can see the last, suggest project ideas to improve with our own thinking. Now, what is the wrong use? Copying the full homework or submitting as it is given us. Who does it? At least once or twice. Can anyone tell me? Is there anyone who does it once or twice? No? That's good, buddy. You should never do that because it can easily be detectable. Second thing is like an human answer and AI answer is always different. So we should always verify it that is it accurate or not. You can use the answer as your reference, but never use it directly to copy and paste it. Second thing, sharing password, phone number, address, or private photos. Trusting AI answers without checking, asking AI to hide, or cheating or bypass school rules. And last is using AI output without understanding it. So, for example, you should try this. I don't know if you have seen it or not. Whenever you use AI chatbot for any kind of mathematical problem or science equational problems, you will see that if you are trying. Okay, is there anyone who is from 10th grade, 9th?
I'm from 10th grade.
You are from 10th grade. So maybe you are preparing for any kind of exams.
Yes, sir. Currently just boards, but after that CLT.
Yes. So you'll notice sometime that if you're trying to find out the answers of any kind of MCQ based questions, you will see that it always doesn't give us the correct answer, right? So we always have to see the output and we have to be careful about the outputs. Got it? Okay. Now let me ask you a quick question. Can anyone tell me, like, in the last class, I have told you about the correct format for writing a prompt. Does anyone remember that format? Does anyone remember it, buddy? Yeah, Ishan, will tell me.
Sir, the task, then we have to describe it, and then the style in which we want the answer.
Exactly. Agastya,
Sir, and also you had to describe the
you're
role
not
and
audible.
purpose. You had to describe the role and purpose also.
Correct. So let me give you some points that you have to be careful about writing a prompt to create a correct prompt. So we'll use a formula. I'll just paste it in the chat. We'll be using this formula. So first we'll be using the role, then task, then context, format, and constraint. So first, what is the role of the AI? How AI should act? Should it act as our science teacher? Should it act as our friend? Should it act as our parent? Should it act as our any other particular guy? Right? So first you have to inform the AI about what its role. Second is task. Task means what the AI should do. This is pretty important. Third thing is context or details. I've told you in the last class that you have to write the details, like what he should do. Does anyone have any questions, buddy? No? Okay. Fourth thing, format. Okay, we have seen one thing that it gives us the answer. Sometimes it gives us answers in bulletin points, right? Sometimes it gives us answers in some different paragraphs, or sometimes it gives us a whole lines of like 300 words of paragraph, 500 words of paragraph. So we always have to write the format, in which format it should give us the answer. Should it give us in a quiz format? Should it give us in the bullet point formats? And last is the constraints, mean the rule or limit. So using a simple language, keep it under 150 words, keep it under 100 characters or 200 characters. Okay, so this is the clear prompt that you should write. And one more thing you always have to remember, buddy, a clear prompt doesn't guarantee a perfect answer. It gives us the better starting point, but it doesn't make sure that, yeah, we'll get the perfect answer out of this prompt. But there will be chances that it will be accurate. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll just open and chatbot. Tell me which chatbot should I use? Gemini, ChatGPT? Let's vote for it.
Grok.
Grok, okay. Who else need? Okay, just do one thing.
Sir,
Everyone,
Grok.
okay. I got 2 votes for Groks. What about Ishanvi and Ditya?
The ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
Claude.
Claude, oh my God. That's a different kind of voting that happened. Okay, so let's take a common one. Which one should I use? Everyone, like, just tell me one.
Sir, Grok.
Okay, you guys are sticking with Grok.
Sir, Grok or Perplexity?
Grok or Perplexity. Okay, Ditya told me ChatGPT and Ishanmi told me, you told me what, buddy? Gemini, right?
I said Claude.
Claude. Okay, so let me choose one. Let me choose, let me go with, even I have to think. Okay, I am also a participant of this meeting, right? So I can also vote. Okay, let me think. Whom should I vote? Okay, I'll be creating it. Like, see, I don't have any account. Like, I have an account on Grok, but it's a personal account. So I'll be creating a new account quickly. I'll share my screen. I hope you guys can see me. So let me use Grok. It will be a new thing, right? Who's for, it's a new thing for like, Agastya has used it. Nitya, have you used Grok before?
Yes, sir.
And Isanvi, have you also used Grok before?
No, sir, I haven't used Grok.
Even I'm on the same page. So I have used mostly, I told you yesterday that I have mostly used ChatGPT because I like its reasoning. So let's see, let's try it first time. So what we'll be doing, we'll be giving different types of prompts for a particular subject. So in this meeting, we are 5 people, and even I am also a participant like you this time, and we'll be experimenting on this AI. Okay. So each one of you choose a subject of your own. Okay. And now find a topic of the subject that you cannot, like, you already know about it. You are very clear about that particular topic. You know the answers, you know how it works. Now, what you will do, you have to create a prompt that will explain, that will ask the AI to explain that topic. Okay. So you have to create a prompt. Each one of you will create one prompt of your favorite subject and of your favorite topic that you already know. So you can verify the answer. Am I clear, buddies? And if you have to create a prompt, you have to follow the format. You can see in the chat. First, you have to write the role. Like, should it answer it as a teacher? Should it answer it as a friend? Should it answer it as a science teacher? Should it answer it as a professor? How he should answer the question. Second task, what he should do, then context, then format, and constraint. You have to paste it in the chat box.
Sir, what is meant by constraint?
What, buddy?
What is meant by constraint?
Constraint means like you have to write the limit. Like it should it be in 100 words or 150 words? Because if you ask AI to explain something, it will explain in like lines by lines, pages by pages. It can explain a simple topic. So you have to write a constraint that it should be in 100 words or 150 words. Format means how it should write it. Should it write it in the bulletin formats or in paragraph format? How it should explain it.
Okay.
We'll be pasting it here, and after that, we'll be verifying the answer. We'll do the same with another AI after that. Will it be better if I just give you a Google Sheet link in which you can like paste it?
Yes.
Okay, so just give me a second. Let me create a Google Sheet quickly. Okay, I'll share the link. Okay, in the chat, I've sent you a Google Sheet link. You just have to write the prompts or you have to paste it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So I had gotten disconnected when you were showing the screen. So can you please tell me what kind of prompt we have to put in the spreadsheet?
Yeah, I'll tell you. So, like we have, as you can see on my screen, I have opened Grok. We'll be also using multiple other AIs. What you have to do is like you have to choose your favorite subject and a favorite topic of that subject that you already know and you are very much clear about that topic. You know every answers, you know how it works. Then you have to create a prompt using the format of role, task, contest format and constraint. You can see you have to generate a prompt in that format and you have to paste it in your the Google Sheet link. We'll be using these prompts in different AI chatbots and we'll verify the answers. We'll see how is it different or is it same like all of them. We have to verify the answers. As you are very much clear about the topic, so you can also easily verify it. Don't write any prompt for an unknown subject or unknown topic. Okay?
Sir, we have to write three prompts.
No, no, no. At least one is fine. I just copied and pasted that previous Google Sheet just to, I don't have to write the names again. So you can just write one prompt for each one of the names. Each one of, like any topic you can choose. We'll be verifying that prompt. So let me just quickly fix it.
Sir, can we make a prompt for a photo?
Photo, no, just type a subject topic. Because we can,
Okay, sir.
like photo generation will be different obviously for each one of them. And we cannot verify it that much. And it will also take time. The photo generation take times, right?
Sir, so what is the topic?
Any topic of your favorite subject that you already know and already, you have the idea about it. So if the AI gives you an answer, you can verify is it accurate or not. Am I clear?
So we need to ask a question related to that topic.
Yeah, you have to create a prompt related to that topic. And we'll be also checking that the prompt, is it a good prompt or is it a weak prompt? For creating a prompt, you have to like follow this things. First, you have to write the role. Then you have to write the task, what you have to do. Then context, format, and constraint. Okay, I see Srivastav. I've already written one prompt. So let me take Srivastav's prompt and let me paste it here. I hope I'm sharing the chatbot. Yeah. So let's see. Now, let's see one thing, Srivastav. Over here, you have asked him to tell me if plants respirate. It will be respirate, right? And
Yes, sir.
yeah. And if yes, why? Now, in this, you have just explained the topic, right? You have given him a task. Have you defined the role of the AI? Like how he should explain?
No, sir, I was going to write that.
Okay, okay. Then you can take time. Just let me know once you are done, okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I wrote my prompt.
Okay, Agastya has given us a prompt. Explain me Newton's third law for science class in one short line or 30 words as per grade 7 in a sequence of formula. That's good. That is actually a good prompt. Okay. Wow, Ishanvi's prompt is too long. No worries, we'll check it. Will give me a second. First, let's check this. Okay, so for every action force, there's an equal and opposite reaction force. In formula, if AB is equals to minus of FBA, if A pushes B with force F, B pushes A back with minus F. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's use the old guy. I always say this as old guy. So let's paste this same prompt. You can see the answer is same. Okay, what about Gemini? Okay, anything else left?
Perplexity.
Okay, and I think we are leaving something.
Claude.
Claude, yeah. Just give me 1 second, buddy. I have to sign in. Okay. Okay, out of which you can see the answer for the Grok and ChatGPT was same, right? All of them has given us the almost same answer, but you can see that Claude has given us the answer in one line itself. Also, Perplexity also given us the correct answer in one line. Okay, let's check the other prompts now. Then we'll see which prompt is
Sir, I'm done.
okay. I'm taking the prompt of Ishan B, I think. Let me check. Yeah. Play a role of a high school computer science teacher who is teaching students how to write iterative constructor in Java. Explain me the syntax. Also give me some programs to practice for some. The format should be in bullet points to explain the topic at a beginner level. That's a really good prompt. Okay. So it has given
You can try DeepSeek and Copilot also.
okay. As you want, buddy. Okay. This was the answer for the perplexity. Now it has given us one, two, three, four. Four problems or practice problems you can see. Remember to initialize a variable, check the condition. Okay, that's good. But it was a very short answer. Let's see the other formats. I see Copilot is explaining it in much details, you can see. Even he is giving examples for each one of them. So let's take DeepSeek. Oh no, again sign in. Just a second, buddy. Okay. What if we do a rating system? Like each one of you will rate the AI chatbots out of 5. What do you think? What if we do this kind of stuff? For each one of the prompts, you can let me just do one thing. I will add the AI tools in the Google Sheet. You will give marks on them. So it will help.
But we might not know if the information is accurate or not.
You can verify it. That's what I told you, that you have to write the prompt based on what topic you already know. So you can verify the answer. Is it accurate or not? Don't ask any question that you don't know or you need to, clear about that topic. Or you can do one thing. For example, you are working on a topic that your teacher has given you notes, or your teacher has given you you have the subject book with you. You can use them to verify the answers. That's what we're doing. We are writing the prompt and we are trying to find out the correct prompt and the correct answer from AIs. Now we'll see which AI tool gives us the most accurate answer. Okay.
Yes.
Let's do what else we have used. Copilot. Okay. Claude and Grok is left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 AI tools we are using. Okay, you can give score out of out of 5. So first, as we are checking Ishanvi's prompt, so let's go to first, we will check the prompt from ChatGPT. So paste the prompt here. Okay, it is explaining for loop, while, do, while. For loop is giving example, how it works. Example program is giving us, and the output is also giving us. Okay. For the while loop, it's doing the same. And for the do while, it's also doing same. Example program is giving us difference between the loops. Practice programs, it's giving us 5 problems, which are at very easy level. Because let me see which grade you have written. Okay, there was no grade mentioned in the prompt, right? Yeah, it's fine. So it had given us a generalized and easier level like questions or practice programs. So you can see it has given us the beginner. Okay, it has also given us intermediate level. That's good. Pattern programs, tips for students, small challenges. So you can see that it has given us a very detailed answer with all the topics that it has covered us, right? Okay, how much will you rate it out of 5?
I think 5.
5, okay. So you can give the ratings in the Google Sheet link. Next, which one we have, buddy?
Sir, I didn't get the link.
DeepSeek.
DeepSeek. So let's try this on DeepSeek. Okay, DeepSeek has already given us the answer. Let's check. So it has told us the loops. What is loop? Three types of loop. Same example. Okay, it has given us the syntax and examples only. Now, common beginner mistakes has given us problems for entry level, medium level, challenge level. Checklist before submitting the code. Okay, if we compare it with ChatGPT, we can see one thing. In ChatGPT, it has also told us the similar things, right? For each one of them, it has given us important points. And also extra, it has given us pattern programs. Did it give us pattern programs? No, I don't think it has given us any pattern programs. Okay, it has given us the examples for the practice questions. See? So you can give the ratings as you want. Next, I can see is Claude. No, Gemini, right? Perplexity. So let's paste it. What? Okay, I think Perplexity I can't try anymore. I've exceeded the limits, I think.
Sir, no, you can click on back home.
What, buddy?
You can click on back home.
Back home. So this will work? No. Anyways, let's try the Gemini. Honestly, I'll give Gemini, like all of the time I've tried Gemini, and I would give like 2 out of 5. It's very wrong most of the times. So let's say this time. Okay, the format it follows, it's not for a high school student, I would say. It's very complex. Look at the format, how it gives us the answer. You see that? It's not that much understandable. And it looks so much, populated area. So I would like give it 2. You can give as you want. And also it has given us within a very short answer. You can see 3 big loops in Java and 3 challenges. That's all. Okay, next, which one should I try? Claude, everyone's favorite. Let's see. Still now we can see ChatGPT has given us more accurate, right? Okay, next I'll move on to the other prompt. So let me check Sivasta prompts after this. Okay, what is iterative constructive? It has explained it in 3 bulletin points. Loop, for loop, while loop, example. Okay. Quick comparison table, practice programs, challenges, pattern problems it has given us, and key tips. So you can give your ratings, buddy, as you want. Okay, should I try any more? Like Grok?
Yes, sir.
Grok was favorite for, I think, Srivastav and Agastya, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So let's see Grok. Why is it so similar to Claude? Let's see one thing.
Sir, both must be taking the information from the same place.
Yeah. Or it can also happen that the processing data input, yeah, it can be same, you can say. Anyways, you can now give the answer. Now we'll move on to the next one, okay? And then Ishanvi, I think Ditya is left. So after Agastya, Agastya is already checked. Srivastava will check it. Yeah. So Srivastava, which one should I try first? You tell me.
Sir, Grok.
Okay. So tell me if plans are 9, if yes, while tell me the answer is 30 to 50 words for my science class of grade 7. Word count is 48. Okay. Let's check GPT. Okay. Let's check Copilot. See, Copilot is also giving you some data that you can verify it. Also, it giving you the example answer. So it gives you all the data that he has right now about this topic. What about DeepSeek? And then we'll try Claude. And after that, we'll move on to Ishanvi's. No, Ishanvi's we have already checked Dhitya. Yeah. Wow, Dhitya's prompt is too big. We'll check it, Perry. Okay, I'll say that DeepSeek, Grok, ChatGPT, Gemini. We haven't tried Gemini. Good. Perplexity we can try. What about Claude? Okay, Claude gives us the answer in 3 different paragraphs, you can see. In simple answer, it tells you it explains everything. And this pattern, look how it answers this question. This pattern also looks very good other than the DeepSeek or the Groks, you can see. Okay, now let me check the Ditya's answer. So Ditya, which one should I try first?
The ChatGPT.
Okay. Comparative study of power sharing in Sri Lanka and Belgium. Okay, that's a pretty good answer, isn't it? Okay, next, which one should I try? Claude?
Yes, sir. The Claude is not giving the accurate data.
Okay, let's try Copilot. You can give the ratings, buddy. In the Google Sheet, you can give the ratings. Have you told him to explain in 100? Yeah. So I think nobody explained this, right? Like Copilot did. ChatGPT just explained it this much, which is it accurate?
Yes, sir, ChatGPT is.
Okay, what about Copilot?
So some data was wrong. Other than that, it was accurate.
Okay, Claude was very wrong, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's try DeepSeek. Agastya, I think I have tried only 2 AI tools, right, for your prompt?
Yeah. No,
Okay,
no, you tried all. I think so.
yeah, so I'll be trying few more, okay? So you can
Okay.
give the ratings. So you can see the answer, buddy, Vidya.
Yes. Sir.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Grok is left. It has exceeds the word count, I see.
Yes. Sir.
Okay, I think we have tried all of them. Or Gemini is left.
The Gemini.
Yeah. Okay. So I think you can give the ratings now. Okay. One more thing. So I have tried all of yours. Okay, Agastya, I have to try yours, right? Which one should I try, Berry?
Sir, this Claude.
Claude. Okay. You know, why am I trying all of them at one in my own AI tools? The reason behind is if you all try differently, see, I'm not going to search about these topics in the AI tools. So when I'm mixing up the data or mixing up the prompts that you have given us, we can actually see the comparison. Otherwise, what will happen if you try it in your own AI tools, it will give your user like preference data. So, but when I'm trying it, it's a new data he is processing right now. That's why I'm trying it. Okay, we can give the ratings, buddy, for the Claude. Should I try it for the Gemini? Or have I tried it? I think I have tried it already.
Yeah.
Okay,
DeepSeek.
DeepSeek. So is it done, buddy? Okay. So I hope everyone has completed their ratings. Okay, now let me check who is the winner. Okay, I see, Agastya, you haven't given any ratings.
Sir, where do I have to give? On the chat or any link you had
Oh,
sent?
are you giving in the chat?
No, no, I
Oh,
didn't.
in the like Google Sheet, buddy. You have to give the in the Google Sheet you have to give the ratings, buddy. Even I see Srivastav has also not given the ratings. Okay, please everyone log into the Google Sheet link. Okay, I can see Ditya Nishanvi has given the ratings, and out of which who's the winner? I think ChatGPT for both of you. has chosen ChatGPT as the winner, right?
So I chose Grok.
You chose Grok. I don't see the ratings for Grok actually. Oh, I see it. I see. Sorry, it was at the side. I didn't notice. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Oh, Grok. Yeah, Grok is the winner. I see.
Sir, I also sent mine, written mine.
Okay. Everyone is choosing Grok. That's
Sir,
good.
I also sent it.
Okay, that was awesome, buddy. So now I'll rate the prompts, like the prompts you have given us. Now I'll be rating these prompts. Which one was the best prompt that was given? So until now, I can see that what Agastya did, he has like asked him to explain about Newton's third law. That was the task for my science class in the one short line. So you have given the constraint or 30 words as per grade 7 in sequence of formula. So these are all constraints, right? But you haven't explained the role of the prompt, like what should be the AI's role. So I will give you like 3 out of 5, buddy. Next, let me go to Ditya. Okay, you can see my screen, right, guys? You are just seeing the AIs. I'm sorry. I hope you can see it now. Okay, so Ditya's prompt, she has explained the role. Second thing, she has explained the task, constraints, and the format. Is there any format? It has to be comparative study in a proper tabular form. So the format was also being informed in the prompt. So this was more very accurate prompt. Now let me go to the Ishanvi's. So I would give like 4 out of 5 out of 5. 4.5 out of 5. Second, let me go to Ishanvi. Play role of high school computer teacher who is teaching students how to write iterative construct in Java. So the role was explained, task was explained. Explain me the syntax and also give me some programs to practice in the same. The format should be in the bulletin points to explain the topic for a beginner level in 50 words. So each one of the points has been covered in this prompt. So this one also I'll be giving 4.5 out of 5. Okay. Now let me go to Sivastav. Sivastav, tell me if plans expire at night. So the task was explained, context was given. If yes, why? Tell the answer in 30. So you have also given us the constraint for my science class, but you haven't written the format, in which format he has to explain or in which role. So I'd give it 3 out of 5. Okay. Now, guys, we'll be taking a short break of 5 to 7 minutes, but you have in this break, you have to think of another prompt that you're going to apply. But this time, think about something complex. This is your job. Okay. Make sure to cover up all the points in the prompt: role, task, context, format, and constraint. Am I clear, guys? So let's take a 10 minutes break. Right now, it's how much is the time? 7:10. So we'll come back at 7:20. Okay. And then we'll check the prompt and we'll verify it. Is it accurate or not? Got it?
Sir, we have
Think
to
about a
write a
complex.
prompt.
Yeah, Agastya, tell me.
Sir, we have to write a prompt now.
Yeah, you have to write a prompt. You will get a 10 minutes of break. In this break, you can just think about a complex topic. Okay. Why complex? Because I want you to write a prompt that will process the AI. Like AI should not just give the answer in one line or 2 lines or 3 lines. It should be processing a huge data. The data that it should be working on, it should be huge. Like for example, Ditya, the prompt that she has given, the AI has to work on lots of data on it. If you want to see, and it has searched many YouTube, sorry, many of the web servers. Let me go to the Claude also itself. So it didn't give us the okay, where I was saying it. There we go. So it has to go through lots of website for the references. Yeah, there you go. NCRT plus 1, you can see. So it has given us the answer from NCRT only. If I go to ChatGPT, it didn't give us the reference. What about Grok? Grok has searched it from 20 sources. So Grok has processed more data than any one of them. That's why I think Grok is the winner. Okay, so every one of you just think about a complex topic, okay? And think about a prompt. We'll be trying it out at 7:20. Okay? Okay. Is everyone here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so guys, whoever is done, they can like paste their prompt.
Sir, I have sent on the chat.
Have you sent it in the chat? Okay. Act as a physics teacher at IIT. My task is to learn Ohm's law. This is for grade 7 student who needs explanation of Ohm's law for a physics test at IIT. Okay, let me just copy this. Okay, which one you want to try first, Agastya?
Sir, Grok.
I can't hear you very.
Sir, Grok.
Rock? Okay, very good. And even I'm very good at this topic, so I can say this is a very accurate answer within very small words. This part is really important. The conductor must be constant temperature and not be changing. Good job. Okay. So next, which one should I try?
This Gemini.
Gemini. Okay. Make sure to prepare your rating. Ready?
Sir, I did it.
I think Grok is better than this, right?
Yes.
Look at the format. It just tells you this, while Grok actually explains the constant that you have to remember. That conductor wire must be constant of temperature but not changing. Right?
Yes.
Okay, what about ChatGPT? Let's try this.
Yes.
It's much better. Look at this.
It provided a full reply.
Okay, let's try Copilot. Okay, let's try Claude. You wanna try the DeepSeek?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, it's a very good explanation, but the thing is it's very short also. As you asked him to keep it short and counting up to 50 words, it has explained within very short answer. So I would even like say this is very good. It's my opinion, okay? Don't give the ratings based on my opinion.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else, buddy? I think we have tried all the six. Let me close the perplexity because I can't try it anymore. I'm out of the limit. I like ChatGPT. Okay, next. Who wanna try? Let me see who has given the next prompt. Ditya has given us, Vyam has given us. Okay, let me try Vyam's. Okay, this one it is, right? So just paste it here. Srivastava, are you saying it, buddy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So please make sure to give the ratings. Let's try with Claude. Okay, now I'd like to mention something, Srivastava. Please see one thing. Um, in this prompt format, have you explained the role, buddy?
Sir, I couldn't understand like what role meant.
Role meant like he will be explaining it, but at what perspective it should explain it? Should it explain it in perspective of a teacher? Should it explain it as a perspective of a student or as a friend? How it
Oh,
should explain it?
okay, sir.
Because the explanation will be different. Like, for example, right now I'm teaching you about the AI and machine learning, right? Now, this explanation will be not same when I'll be teaching it to a, for example, grade 3 student, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, this explanation will be not same for a college student.
Yes.
You have to explain the role because if you don't explain, then it will just give us a generalized format. Now, these prompts are not wrong, buddy. These are called weak prompt. Got it? Okay. So you can give the ratings based on the prompt that you have given. Also, in this prompt, I also don't see the constraints. Constraints mean the limit. Like you can see here, when I asked Grok, no, I asked ChatGPT to explain it. It explained within very short answer. But when I asked the same question to Claude, it has explained in very detailed answer. So if I paste this prompt in different chat AI tools, it will be giving us different answers, buddy, because the constraint is not limited. Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
So you also have to be specific about the constraint. Am I clear, buddy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's try the Copilot. Okay. And Grok, we haven't tried it. Okay. Most of them has given a short answer. Only okay, we haven't tried Gemini. Let's try the Gemini itself also. Only Claude has explained it in very detail. But it's not an issue, buddy. It is, I'll not say it is wrong because the constraint was not explained. So they just give, as the previous, you can see the previous questions which were asked, it had a constraint in it. That's why when he's explaining this answer, he's also explaining it in the same constraint. So this is also the pattern recognition. Avesta, you can see, I hope.
Yes, sir.
So the based on the questions that I'm asking to the AI tools, it's actually finding the patterns as all of them had a like constraint of 50 words or 150 words. It has given us an answer within similar words. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, let me try. Sivastav, do you want to try anything else?
No, sir.
Okay. Is your rating? Make sure to give the ratings to the AIs.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll move on to the next prompt. Okay. Am I sharing the screen here? So this prompt is made by Ishanvi. So let's check. And we are trying it on DeepSeek. So act as a paper setter for computer science for class 12 ICSE board exam. Your task is to analyze most repeated questions over the last 10 years asked in the board examination and the topics they belong to. List all the high weightage topics which frequently appear in the exams. Also give me the type of questions which have been seen from those topics. Limit of this list is 5 most important questions per every high weightage topic that you give. This is for grade 12 student who needs to prepare for the board exam. So I see that every aspect has been covered in this prompt. That's a very good prompt, buddy. So it also has given us the answer. You can see the answer that it has given us. It has followed the prompt properly. Right. Okay. Next, which one should I try?
ChatGPT.
Okay. Wow. Okay. So it has searched lots of data, as I see. Yeah. It has used 4 websites data based on the feedback, syllabus, the chapters, most important questions from this website. And it has also tried to find out the chapter-wise mark distribution and unit distribution. Okay. It is mostly generalized answer. There is no questions that has been mentioned in it, you can see. But if you see here, the questions was explained that you can try and prepare. So you can give the ratings to ChatGPT in this point also. Now let's try Claude. Similar output like ChatGPT I see here. And one more thing we always have to keep on mind, all the AI tools that we're using, they're all free tools. So they're all using the basic version here. We have to keep on mind that thing. Okay. Which one you want to try next, buddy?
Gemini.
Okay. I actually have Pro in the Gemini because of Geo. But oh my God, why is it giving us K maps? Have you asked him to explain the K maps?
No, sir, what came up is one of the most repeated questions in the board.
Okay. So you can give the ratings based on the data accuracy. You can give the ratings based on the format, how it's giving the answer. You can give the ratings based on the, you can say like the topics that he is covering or the accuracy, you can say. Okay. Data structure is covering all of it. Inheritance and recurrence. Paper setter, product tips for ISC. Okay. And I think Copilot is only left, right? Oh, Grok and
Yes.
Copilot. I hope everyone is getting an idea that how the AI tools are utilizing the prompt and giving the answer. Anyone has any doubts, buddy? Sivastav, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, I hope you're understanding that how you have to be given the most strong prompt that is possible by covering the topics.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I'll be doing is by end of today, I'll be creating two groups. Okay. Each one of the group will be working on a topic and they have to generate the very strong prompt on the topic. And they have to create three prompts like that. Okay. So for each one of you will choose, like, for example, you make a group and after that, you'll be choosing a subject. Now I'll be checking which grades you are in. Okay. I'll be taking that. And at the like, I also have a surprise after like 5 minutes. I'll be like asking you to participate in it. So let's see how it will go on. Okay. So I think Grok is left. Let me quickly try this. Have you given the ratings, buddy, for Copilot?
So I filled it for Copilot, I think. No, just a second. I'll do that.
Okay. Should I start from the beginning?
Oh, yes, please.
Yeah, sure. Just covered the topics. Okay, now let me just try the Grok. Grok is searching lots of websites. 65 sources. Look at the number of data he has searched. Okay, let me start from the beginning. Okay, done. Now I think Ditya is left, right? Yeah, let me try your prompt, Ditya. Wow, what a prompt, very. Which one should I try? You tell me, Ditya.
The Gemini.
Okay, so you can write the ratings for each AI tools. Make sure to check the format accuracy and the role that you have explained here. Is he following that role or is he following some other roles while explaining it? Okay. Should I move on to the next AI tool? Okay. So let's try Claude. Okay, I haven't read the prompt actually. Let me read the prompt once. Task was explained, role was explained, context was explained. Okay, constraint is also explained. Format is explained. Good. Every aspect is being explained here. Okay. Is it done, buddy? Now, Copilot, let's try this quickly. Is it done, Nitya? Okay. Let's try DeepSeek. ChatGPT and Grok is left. We'll try it. Done? Okay. "46 resources and very short answer than any other one. I think he has covered within 200 words. That constant he has covered it here. Yes, word count is 148. Okay, let's try the ChatGPT. Agastya, have I tried your prompt?
Yes, sir, you tried.
Okay. So each one of you has given the ratings to the AI tools. Srivastav, have you given the ratings?
Sir, I'm just giving.
Okay. So now in the Zoom chat, I think more the groups will make information about the WhatsApp group. Yeah. The links will be given in the WhatsApp group also. I'll also give it in the chat box itself, but it will be also given in the WhatsApp groups. Okay. Done, buddy, everyone? Okay. Let me start from Ishan V. Can you tell me who is the winner? Who has given you the best prompt? Sorry, best answer out of the prompt.
So in the second round, I think DeepSeek.
DeepSeek. Okay. DeepSeek got 1 point. Okay, Titya,
So I think Grok again.
Rock again. Okay, what about you, Agastya?
Sir, both ChatGPT and Grok.
ChatGPT and Grok were at the same pace, right? Okay, Srivastava, which one is best?
Sir, Grok.
Grok. Okay, so in this case, we can see in both of the round, Grok is giving us mostly accurate data, right? Most of the time. Now, I'll tell you the reason here. You can see one thing. Why what Grok is doing, he is going over lots of resources. Now, I have told you one thing at the beginning, and that is whenever you are creating a prompt, different AI tools will be working on different datas. In the last class, like in yesterday's class, I have told you that AI works on first datas, then patterns, and then the format gives the answer, right? So data is very important, and you can see Grok how many data he is searching for each one of the topics. Got it, everyone? So I would say that never you know never try to use AI to write your homeworks directly. Compare it, try different AI tools Like I would always say that the free AI tools will also give us a different type of answer. And if you try the pro version, that will have a different neural engine for searching the prompt or giving the answer of the prompt. Now I'll be doing one thing. You can all see the prompt that is given by each one of you, right? I think it is visible to each one of you in the Google Sheet. You can see, buddy. Okay, let me just do one thing. Let me copy prompt of Agastya's and let me paste it in the Google Sheet. Now we'll like do a small thing. It's about rating your like friends' prompts. Okay. So each one of you, like for example, Agastya is there. So Agastya will be rating Srivastav's prompt. Okay. Srivastav will be rating Agastya's prompt. Similarly, Dhitya will be rating Ishanvi's and Ishanvi will be like rating Dhitya's. Got it? See, this rating is just for your understanding that how you can, like, this is not about you are judging the other person. Okay, this is not about judging. This is about how you're analyzing the prompt. Whenever you are creating your own prompt, can you judge it by yourself or not? That is what I'm trying to see. Okay, so you have to give the ratings out of 3. Okay, 1 for average, 2 for good, 3 for excellent. Understood? Nothing is bad here because each one of the prompt you have worked really good on the prompts and the prompts are really good. So 1, 2, or 3. You can write the at the last column you see after Grok. Do you see that? I'll be marking it. Say I'm marking it with a color. Do you see the column?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please rate the prompts on that columns. So Agastya will be giving the ratings on Srivastav, and Srivastav will rate Agastya's. Let me do one thing, yeah. And Vidya will be rating Ishanvi's prompt, and Ishanvi will rate like rating details. Okay, so I can see the ratings. Agastya, have you given the ratings, buddy? Okay, the last one you are reading.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, I did.
Yeah, yeah. So that's a very good analysis, buddy. Yeah. Okay, I think Srivastav, you forgot to give the first prompt. That was, sorry, give the ratings for the first prompt.
Sir, I have done it.
You have given for one of them. There is another one on the first row. See the second row? Okay, let me just move them to this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, everything is good, buddy. And I would say every one of you has worked really good here. Now I'll be like forming a group. Okay, I'll be forming 2 groups. Okay. Does anyone has any preferences before I form the groups? Anyone would like? Okay, first tell me, Ishanvi, which grade are you in right now?
11.
11th grade. Okay, Vidya, you are in 10th grade, right? Okay, Agastya, which grade you are in?
Sir, 7th.
Seventh. Srivastav, which grade you are in?
Sir, 7th.
Seven. So I think it's a pretty easy group that I can form very easily, because see, the groups will be formed. This class group, okay, this group can change in the upcoming classes also. Okay, so these groups are being formed just to create a simple prompt. I'll be sharing a link in the WhatsApp group also. I'll be sharing it. So you'll be having two pages, two Google Sheets. Let me show you. So it's gonna be something like this. Can you see my screen? Okay. So right now there are 4 seats out there, but I'll be forming two groups. So what you have to do, Ditya and Ishanvi, you are gonna form one group. Okay, this group, I'll say one thing, this group can change in the upcoming classes also. Okay, this is not permanent. This, you are forming this group just to follow up the subject, because you guys are familiar with the subjects, right? There will be some similar subjects that you have worked on already. Am I right, buddies? So
Yes,
it's
sir.
a common subject of your choice. And then later, try to find out topics. So that's how you can choose 3 topics. Or you can, if you like, for example, if Ishanvi likes Ditya's subject and want to know about that topic, so you can help her to create the prompt in it. Or Ditya can help her to create the prompt for Ishanvi. Understood? Similarly, Srivastava will be helping Agastya, and Agastya will be helping Srivastava, because you guys are both in 7th grade. So you guys have to, it's not about that you will be like preferring only, like you guys will work together, will find out a topic, a subject, and will submit the prompt. Am I clear?
Sir, so in the spreadsheet only we have to rate and all that.
Yeah. In the spreadsheet, you have to submit the prompts. You can see I have given what you have to do. Let me show you. So you have just followed the same format while creating. So first, you will, for example, you work together and you find out a subject and a topic. So first, you will explain the role of the prompt one, then the task of the prompt one, then context, format, constraint, the verification request, that what are the things that you have checked after it given us the answer, or what is the prompt that you have checked, okay, before submitting this, and what is the final prompt you have made. Understood? So at the end, after that, once you get the answer, you have to check this verification sheet. In the verification sheet, you don't have to follow this column. Okay, this column will stay empty. You have to fill these 3 columns. So in this column, the AI answer that you have checked, have you checked it from any kind of textbook or teacher notes? If you have checked it, what was correct, what was wrong? Just write it in simple few words. You don't have to write in a like paragraph or something like that. Am I clear, buddies? And anytime if you need any help, you can like contact me in the WhatsApp group. Anytime, any kind of suggestions you need, or if you're like you can't access this Google Sheet link, you can also let me know. Okay. So this is your first day of group forming. Make sure to check, like choose the subjects and choose the prompts, and then paste it here. Should I make it 4 prompts or 3 prompts?
So 3.
3. Okay. What do you think, Nitya and Ishanvi? 3. Okay, fine. Is everything cool now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how much time do you need for submitting this? Tell me. Is tomorrow fine?
Yes.
See, it doesn't have to be very hard topic, okay? Just try the simple topics as you like. Okay, it's just a simple trying thing you are doing. But I hope this class has cleared your idea about the prompt engineering, how the prompt should be created. Right? Sivasta, we got the proper idea how the prompt should be generated.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You guys can contact through WhatsApp itself. I think you have the numbers in the group. I hope. Otherwise, I'll just talk the team to share you the numbers with yourself to create the groups. And this group can change in future also. Okay? All of you are friend here and make sure to collaborate together and perform well in it. Okay? You have done really excellent job. I'll meet you tomorrow, guys. Okay? Bye. Good night. Yeah.